Welcome to another episode of the Wookiee Workshop. Reached into my vintage lot and decided to do a super oldie model. The 1970s CYLON RAIDER ship from Battlestar Galactica. The 70s was a boom for science fiction. I fondly remember watching the Galactica series after seeing Star Wars. It was a weekly adventure to see the last remaining civilization seeking a new home, as CYLONs were hot on their tails. The box packaging is damaged and totally falling apart all over. Yeah, it is a good time to start building this kit. This looks bad. I don't think these slide decals will work anymore. Let's examine the pieces and if it held up. From what I remember building this model as a kid, that it had many open holes and parts not aligning together. Hey, it was a simple kit at the time. Was fun to build it. And most likely I burned it and crashed it later the following month trying to create an explosion scene from the series. The first release of the kit had a system to launch missiles from these front holes. Instead of patching up the holes, I will install red LED lights. With the awkward look of these engine vents, I'm planning on 3D printing new ones with also an internal LED holder for engine lights. These are the holes for the triggers to launch the missiles. This will be patched with styrene and putty. I designed a chamber to house the rod stand. Super glue and resin to secure it in place. I will be doing plenty of modification to this old kit along with lighting it. Let's get to building this.
By your command.
I tested out the original decals. It pretty much floated up to hundreds of pieces. Something that's almost 50 years old is likely to fail. I went ahead, did a quick design in Procreate, and printed it on special water slide decal sheets. So far the printed DIY decals are working as instructed. If you're interested in the brand I used, I'll drop the info in the description. The new printed base display. Attaching a USB adapter to power the lights to a on and off button. Easy solution when you don't have to turn over the model to install batteries. I may do a tutorial in the future on how to wire and rig your model for display. Thank you for watching my channel. Please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. See you all next time and keep on building.